This is a 2011 Chevrolet Tahoe, a big SUV for big fun. This SUV has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 5.3-liter V8, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include the value package, an air suspension, a limited slip differential, a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: cooled seats, 10 perfectly positioned speakers, XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, traction control and stability control systems, performance tires, running boards, an anti-lock braking system, adjustable driver pedals, and this vehicle has less than 44,000 miles. This Chevrolet has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.